Everyone thinks the best-selling crossbow scope is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Barnett Whitetail Series Crossbow Package. The Barnett Whitetail Series Crossbow Package instantly caught my eye with its promise of hyper-performance at a reasonable price of $479. This package includes a 4x32 scope and everything you need to get started right away. If you want a reliable hunting companion that fires with deadly accuracy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hyperflight technology allows this crossbow to fire small-diameter arrows at speeds up to 410 feet per second. That means deeper penetration and better accuracy, so you won't miss your target. Plus, the included illuminated scope helps you shoot accurately in low light, which is crucial during those early morning hunts. Now, some people complained about its weight, noting that at 190 pounds draw weight, it can be a bit heavy for some beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about hunting and can handle the weight, this crossbow is built for performance, not just comfort. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced hunter looking for a powerful crossbow package. Skip this one if you're a beginner who needs something lighter and easier to manage. Overall, for the price and features, you're getting great value here. Now, if the weight of the Barnett Whitetail bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Barnett Whitetail Hunter Crossbow SDR. Next up, we have the Barnett Whitetail Hunter Crossbow SDR, priced at $429.99. This ultra-compact design really caught my attention, especially for those who struggle with heavier crossbows. If you want an easy-to-handle crossbow that still packs a punch, this might be the one for you. The step-through riser technology not only reduces the length of the crossbow, but also keeps the weight manageable at just 6.6 pounds. This is fantastic if you're spending long hours in the field. Plus, the included safety features like the anti-dry fire trigger system mean you can hunt with confidence, knowing you're protected. However, some users mentioned that the assembly instructions could be confusing. I'll be real with you, if you're not mechanically inclined, this might be a bit frustrating. But for seasoned hunters, the ease of handling makes it worth the minor setup hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, compact crossbow without sacrificing power. Skip this one if you prefer something that's ready out of the box with no fuss. It's a solid value considering the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, CVLIFE 1.55x32 Crossbow Scope. The CVLIFE 1.55x32 Crossbow Scope is a fantastic budget option priced at just $89.99. What grabbed my attention is its illuminated reticle and durability. If you're looking for a reliable scope that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. With 93% light transmittance, it's perfect for low-light situations, which is often when you need that pinpoint accuracy the most. It's also designed to withstand significant shocks, making it great for the rigors of hunting. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 370 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its value. Now, some buyers have noted that the eye relief could be better. Here's the thing though, if you're using it with a proper setup, it's not a deal breaker. Just be aware that you might need to adjust your shooting positions slightly. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable scope for a reasonable price. Skip this one if you require a scope with advanced features or higher magnification. For its price, it's definitely a steal. Now, if you want something with a bit more precision, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, UTG4X32 Crossbow Scope. Check out the UTG4X32 Crossbow Scope, priced at $75.06. This product stands out for its Pro 5-step RGB reticle. If you're aiming for versatility in your targeting, this one's worth a serious look. Built on a strong platform, this scope promises precision and resistance to recoil. It also comes with lockable and resettable turrets for windage and elevation adjustments, making it easy to fine-tune your aim. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users mentioned that the QD rings could be a little tricky to mount properly. Honestly, if you're not experienced with mounting scopes, it might take some trial and error. But trust me, once you get it right, the performance is top-notch. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and easy-to-use scope for various hunting conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more advanced features or higher durability. It definitely gives you great value for your investment. Alright, that brings us to our last option, which is the most budget-friendly and might surprise you. Product number 5, Beleshi 4x32 Compact Rifle Scope. Finally, we have the Beleshi 4x32 Compact Rifle Scope, an absolute steal at just $25.99. The compact design and illuminated reticle make it a great entry-level option. If you're just getting into hunting and need an affordable scope, this is definitely worth a serious look. It's also fog, shock, and waterproof, giving you peace of mind in various weather conditions. The fully coated optical glass ensures a bright and high-contrast image, perfect for spotting targets. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 600 reviews, many users appreciate its functionality for the price. However, some users pointed out that the mounting system could be more stable. But if you're a serious hunter, you might want to invest a bit more for sturdier mounting. This is perfect for you if you're new to hunting and need an affordable scope to get you started. Skip this one if you're looking for something more durable for tough conditions. It's a great value for the price, especially for beginners. So to wrap things up, we had the Barnett Whitetail Series Crossbow package for those who want power, the Barnett Whitetail Hunter for a compact choice, the CVLIFE for budget-friendly reliability, the UTG for precision, and the Beleshi for beginners. Each has its strengths, so pick one that fits your hunting style and experience. Happy hunting!